In South India, a leading API manufacturing company was facing a growing challenge. Their effluent treatment plant, originally designed for just 8 to 10 KLD, was suddenly receiving nearly double the load, almost 15 KLD, after new product lines were added. The increased flow introduced a sudden load of high COD effluent, approximately 18,000 milligrams per liter, along with elevated TDS. The biological system was overwhelmed as MLSS remained weak, and regulatory compliance was at serious risk. To address the issue, the company invited Organica Biotech's technical expert to the plant for a detailed evaluation and a tailored solution. The expert recommended Cleanmaxx Aero, a scientifically validated solution developed by Organica Biotech's in-house R&D and produced at its own manufacturing facility. The company adopted the recommended Cleanmaxx Aero dosing plan as advised by Organica Biotech. In just 60 days, the results were clear. COD reduction efficiency improved by 32%, and MLSS levels surged by over 330%. With Organica's Cleanmaxx technology, the plant not only regained compliance, it achieved long-term biological stability and enhanced operational confidence. Organica Biotech, a pioneer in wastewater treatment for over 25 years, contact our experts today.